viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrusandwillow Skincare and Citrusandwillow Advanced Aesthetic Courses. So today we're going to do an advanced facial that includes CBD infused products from Glymed. CBD is super anti-inflammatory. It helps calm the skin. These products include other vitamins that help with inflamed skin and gives them antioxidants. And it's super good for anti-aging because that's caused by inflammation, and acne, also an inflammation. We're gonna infuse Glymed's products with some other product lines that I love to keep, Backbar, one of them being Oxygen, which is super amazing for all skin types as well. So let's get started. So I start with steam to soften up the sebum and open up the pores and allow some hydration into the skin. My first cleanse will be the Glymed Gentle Face Wash. The Glymed Gentle Face Wash has glycolic acid. It's a small molecule, so it penetrates deep into the skin. I add a little bit of water to get it really foamy, allow the steam to get onto it. And I always include the décolleté into my facials, but that is a personal preference. After the second cleanse, I love to remove with a warm towel. Next, I tone with the CBD B3 mist from Glymed. B3 is an anti-inflammatory and an anti-redness, and CBD is anti-inflammatory as well. And I love that to infuse into the skin, plus the smell is great. My next step is to infuse either the Pure Science exfoliation powder, which is really gentle, that would be for an aging client, or the Pure Science White Brilliance powder, that is for hyperpigmentation, acne, any skin type. It's gentle enough really to be used on all skin types. It depends on what the client wants. Do they want brightening, or do they really just need a gentle exfoliation? Then I mix it with the Oxy Bubble Cleanser from December to really give oxygen to the skin, open up the pores, and break up some of that sebum that gets stuck like brick and mortar on the epidermis. A tip here, sometimes you want to add water occasionally to the oxygen to make sure you're getting a really good full surface exfoliation on your client. And you want to really massage in this exfol. I usually like to massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Right now, I'm just gonna do a sponge off, making sure all the products removed thoroughly from the skin surface. Now we're going into extractions. I am gonna use the BT Micro. It oscillates out sebum out of the pores, and typically during my extraction process, I integrate both BT plus manual extraction. So it's whatever you prefer in your practice, and it's really about the client's skin as well. But this client particularly has a lot of clogged and congested pores. The BT Micro would be absolutely perfect because it oscillates out all that congestion in the pores. And if you don't want to do this facial as a quick facial, you would normally do a massage before we went into the extraction. So it's really your preference how you want to integrate this facial into your practice. And if you want to include the facial massage, that is always great to add in for blood flow and a little bit of manual breakup of the sebum. After the exfoliation and the extractions, I go back in with the CBD B3 mist to calm down the redness and irritation that I had caused from extractions. Wiping off just the excess, I let it sit for just a minute or two, just to allow it to absorb, allow the client's skin to rest. and then I wipe off the excess, and we go straight into the masking part of the treatment. For the masking part of the facial, I mix the ARC Herbal Moisture Mask, which is super good for calming the skin. And inside that, I add the Oxygen Booster. I mix it really good together. I've done multiple videos on this product, and it is a super good combination for this CBD Oxygen Facial. I usually leave this mask on for 10 minutes. In your treatment room, you can choose what you do during that 10 minutes. In mine, we do a shoulder and neck massage and a hand and arm. I remove the mask once it's dried with a nice warm towel, just allowing the mask to break up a bit so it's not so hard to get off. It usually takes up to 5 to 10 minutes to dry for this particular mask. So it's up to you and your practice how long you want to keep it on. In mine, we definitely allow 10 minutes for the mask to stay on, dry up, and get everything prepared to go into the serum and the finishing products. For the serum part of this facial, I add the CBD balm from Glymed. I absolutely love it. I love the smell. It's definitely a balm, but it breaks up really nicely. It's got grapeseed oil in it, CBD, lavender. It definitely has the lavender smell. I love it so much. It's a nice, even, smooth layering across the skin for anti-inflammatory benefits. Plus, the client will absolutely love the smell as well. You can choose how you want to apply this in your treatment room. I use this for this facial as the serum part of the facial. Next, I apply the Ultra Hemp Lotion from ARC. I absolutely love the moisture that comes with this product. It has hemp in it, so it's super good for inflammation as well as an antioxidant for the skin, and it really just goes in smooth. You really got to rub it in to go on top of the balm, and you're almost massaging it in to make it really nice and even and not leaving any white streaks. And lastly, I add my Epionce SPF 50. I love the coverage from this product, medical grade, local to our town here in Boise, Idaho. Beautiful coverage and the perfect finishing product. Everybody loves a little lippy. I add that. And lastly, I add just a little bit more of this CBD facial mist. I cannot get enough of this stuff. I absolutely love it. I let it soak in like a setting spray. It is a beautiful finished palette. At the end, I'm so happy with my client's skin, how hydrated it is, how it looks so dewy and glowy. It's an absolutely amazing facial. I hope you like this CBD oxygenating facial video. If you do, press the like button, subscribe, and as always, I love the questions. So shoot me a question or comment in the box below, and see you next time.